Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant not launching on Windows 11. First, we need to make sure the Valorant service is running correctly. Click on the Windows search, type services and press enter. A new window will open showing a list of services on your system. Scroll down until you find a service called VGC. This is the Valorant Game Client service. Double-click on it to open its settings. Look for startup type. Change it to automatic. After that, check the service status. If it says stopped, click on the start button. Once it is running, click apply and then click OK to save the changes. Now, close the services window. This next step is very important. Restart your computer. A fresh restart helps Windows apply the service changes properly. Do not skip this step. After your PC turns back on, find your Valorant shortcut. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Also, check the option that says Disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. You also need to do the same for the Riot client. Find the Riot client shortcut. Right-click it. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and close the window. Now try launching Valorant again. In most cases, the game should open normally without any issues. Thanks for watching.